Alright guys, here's my updated final stash. Final, I promise. Start here. Over 8 boxes of Excalibur and several TNT shells. Diablo. 2 more boxes of Excalibur. 2 more boxes of Excalibur. 3-inch finale shot rack. 1 big SOB, world class. There's the other one. Back there, Pyro 3X Black Cat, 80 shells. Fountains, all my 200 grams. Crazy exciting, just hanging. Denver, Wild West, 2 Texas Rattlesnakes, Instant Replay, Green Garden, Peachtree. 200 grammers, 2 all-ins, world class. 4 Turf Wars, Black Cat. Up top, Mad Dog shells, Tennessee Kicker, Bling Bling, 4 Tikimon torches, look at me, fountains, 2 Red Devil TNT shells, 2 Desert at Nights, 1 Firework Fiesta up top. There's some rockets, 6 ring shell rockets, 2 packs of 1,000 roll firecrackers. All my Roman candles, basically for the kids. 2 midnight sunburns, 1 loud and rowdy, 1 guilty pleasure, 1 sexy rider, 2 black cat willows, 5 guerrilla warfares, 4 one bad mothers and 1 bad mother-in-law, 3 highfalutins, 3 big time extreme machine, also known as neutron bomb, 2 fighting roosters down there, 1 pro copper dome, 2 blonde jokes, 2 Asian sensations. So this year I've spent well over my budget just because I love fireworks and kind of went crazy with it. But as you can see, there's my stash. I have a total of 12 boxes, including Excalibur and Diablo. I have 12 boxes of canisters, so I have over 400 and maybe around 450 canisters and shells for this show. Should be a good one. Thanks for watching, guys.